What a magnificent day.
They've got one out straight out the front here that cruises along the beach.
We just saw Bismarck floating around in the ocean.
I wouldn't say it's the safest place in the world.
You're right, I'm out of here. See you later. And we've just come to the best campsite ever. Yummy's hanging on. After a bumpy old drive up the good old Bruce Highway and Yummy hanging on for dear life, we arrived at beautiful sunny Cardwell. What a spot! And just to top it off, we found a caravan park that ticked all our boxes for a bargain basement price. Myunga Creek Caravan Park, where we paid $28 for a site with power and water. They have large grassy sites, old but good and clean amenities, a laundry and situated right by the creek. No swimming though, unless you want to get eaten by a croc. The railway line was just along the back of us, but we didn't mind listening to the odd train go by now and then. We were quite happy to stay here while we explored Cardwell and the surrounding area. What a magnificent day. So we're at Cardwell and we've taken the bikes off the caravan and we're going for a ride to see what we can find in Cardwell.
Yeah, we can go right through here, this bike track where the bikes are, up here, goes all the way through, all the way along the water. So should be a really nice ride.
So we're on the jetty at Cardwell and that's the waterfront there. It's absolutely spectacular. The water is perfectly flat. Couldn't get any better. What a magnificent little spot. I'm just having a look at the Tourist Information Centre at Cardwell.
So we're in the information centre at Cardwell, and this is a crocodile, Gomez, and he died at about 70. They ended up taking him to America, but he passed away. And when you look at the size of him, they've got one out straight out the front here that cruises along the beach. He's got 4 mile of beach to cruise along, and he is the same size as that. Go and stand near that then, so get an idea of how big he is. Have a look at the size of that. I'll just go over here. Look at that.
His name's Bismarck.
His name is Bismarck, the one out there. So, yeah, interesting.
So Bismarck, the resident croc, is out there somewhere. He was last seen on Sunday and today's Tuesday. So he's out there. That's Hinchinbrook Island over there. And look at all that muddy water that Bismarck's wallowing in. Perfect for crocodiles. Well, it's time for coffee and brekkie, or it could be verging on lunch now. We've had our ride. Ocean view. So we've just come out for the day from Cardwell and we're going along the Cardwell Forest Drive. We've been to the Cardwell Lookout and now we're just going to walk down to Atty Creek. Let's do it.
We're here, let's do it.
Well, that wasn't too interesting. That was just went down to the little creek. So we're off to Dead Horse Creek now. And apparently there's no crocodiles in these creeks or water holes, along this forest drive, so you can always have a swim without that worry. But I don't think we're swimming today. The water's still pretty cold. So this is the last stop. It's called the Spa Pool, where it's a popular swimming hole.
Oh, look at the little round pools there. Bit concretey, though. Put ledge around to sit on.
Yeah, they have. It's all the way down there. Alright, Steve, what did you think about the Cardwell Forest Drive, where we went to the natural spa pool and swimming holes?
Well, I think if it was summertime, I definitely would have gone in. It was really nice. Rocky bottom, nice clear water. Yeah, in summertime there'd be more water running in summer, so it'd be definitely worth going for a swim there. Just a nice drive through the forest. So yeah, I think it's definitely
nice little
worth it.
day trip.
Nice day trip, yeah.
Okay, well, let's head back home and have one of our lovely coffees.
Back to my job again.
Yeah, back
My
to your
never-ending job.
never-ending coffee boy job. Guess what? We just saw Bismarck floating around in the ocean.
Yep, got some pictures of him.
Fantastic. We're absolutely stoked. That's our first croc sighting in the wild.
Yeah, and he's a big one.
He's a
huge.
big one. Just
Monster.
cruising around.
He's still out there, just cruising around out there.
Yeah.
He's been cruising around here,
He's
apparently.
Yeah.
He's
been looking for turtles.
been going for turtles and stuff. Yeah, he's a monster.
We found him. We've been looking for him.
Yeah, we've been looking for him for the last
been
4
looking
days we've
for
been
him.
here. We haven't spotted him, but today, there he is, just sitting out there.
Yeah.
Can't get him on the camera, he's too far
Yeah,
away.
he's just that
he's
bit far out.
He's huge. Look at the length of
So
him.
anyway, today we're off to Hull Heads. All right, we're ready to hit the road, and we'll see you at Hull Heads.
Yep.
We've just got here, and he's already searching for oysters. Hopefully the resident croc won't come by.
Well, he's not getting any oysters.
Are you eating them, Steve?
Hey?
Are you eating them?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
They're delicious.
Are they nice?
Yep. They are.
Small?
Not big like Tasmanian ones, but they're bloody nice.
Oh, how come no one's eaten them all already?
They are. Look at all these, look.
Wow.
They've all been opened.
Are they nice, yeah? Definitely not something I would want to eat, to be honest.
Why not? Why not?
Oh, wow.
You can be on Croc Watch.
Wow, look at you go.
Yeah. I know how to get
Are they warm? They must be
Yeah,
warm.
they are. They're warm. Doesn't matter.
Yuck. Yeah.
Bloody delicious.
Well, probably not the best place to be getting oysters.
No, I wouldn't say it's the safest place in the world.
Whole heap of fish just jumped over there. Right, I'm out of here. See you later. Good luck with that. Well, we've had the best day today. We saw the croc, Bismarck in Cardwell,
Yeah.
and we've just come to the best campsite ever.
So far.
So far, we're at Hull Head, and we absolutely jagged this one. We're right on the water. It is magnificent.
Absolutely beautiful.
Next to the boat ramp. It's $23 a night, no power or water. But look where you are. We're sitting right on the water's edge. It is spectacular. But we've still got this little element, and that's actually not kidding. We're not kidding about that, because we've been told by a couple of locals already that there's always one that sort of hangs around just on the left side of the boat ramp here, just real close to where Steve was just trying to get some oysters. I had to pull him back, get him back here. Anyway, we'll be on croc watch. A nice place to sit to spot crocs though, isn't it?
Yeah, it is really good.
Yummy.
We might have a campfire here.
Yeah, we can have a campfire. What do you reckon, Yummy? What do you reckon, little Yummer? What do you reckon, Yummy? Hmm? Look at the camera. Yummy. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Yummer. You naughty boy.
He doesn't like being on film.
What do you think, Yummer? What do you reckon? Good? Good boy. So we've decided to go for a walk this morning before it gets too hot. I've got Yummy in the backpack on my back because he likes going for walks. We're heading towards the surf.
The bay.
So on one side we've got the estuary, and on the other side we've got the ocean. Absolutely stunning, isn't it, Steve?
Yeah, and the camera won't actually show you how nice this is. Like,
No.
it's just absolutely beautiful. Like,
This is the other side, going into the ocean with all the islands in the background.
Yep.
Wow.
and then we're just around the corner, we're just around there.
And we're just on the,
Just on the bend, around the bend there.
we'll go on the croc spotting platform. And the mangroves are all along the waterfront there, right up to the water. Steve's getting some kindling ready for later on. We're going to cook a curry in the wok on our fire pit. You're allowed to have fires here as long as you've got a fire pit. How good is this? We're right on the water's edge and we're going to set up a campfire for later today. I'm going to cook a curry in the wok on the campfire. Couldn't get much better. We're going to spend probably most of the day just watching the boats coming and going, watching the tide go out and come in.
Possibly some liquid refreshment.
A couple of beers here and there. Absolutely perfect. There's another boat ramp on the other side over there. So there's plenty of boats coming and going, lots of people fishing, a lot of boat action, especially being the weekend.
I've got this down to an art where I can just use one bit of paper now.
Yeah, this is Steve at his finest. He loves it.
Very fiddly, but it works.
Sporting new Crocs and socks. Whatever works.
I'm going into the Daggy Hall of Fame, I think.
Yeah, I think we're already there, Steve.
I think I'm already there, yeah.
I think we're both there.
I qualified for that quite a while ago.
Yeah. He loves his toys. He absolutely loves them. Doesn't take him long to demolish one. So we have a Malaysian Capitan curry and a glass of wine. Curry's coming along nicely. So we've got, I put extra turmeric, garlic, ginger, kaffir lime leaf in there. And then we've got onion and chicken and all the leftover veggies out of the fridge. Choco, carrots, sweet potato. And we're just putting beans in. Coconut milk's in there. Can't go wrong. That'll last us a few days. Okay, she's ready.
Looks pretty good. Oh, I don't like them leaves. Don't like the leaves.
Don't like kaffir lime leaf.
No.
I eat them.
Yeah, I don't know if I can have them. Right, I'm going to give that a go. Look at that.
Nice.
Good. Oh, it's a bit spicy.
Yep, that's because it's a curry. It is quite spicy though.
Nice, but
Yeah.
it's quite spicy.
You could put coconut yogurt in there
Nah,
if you didn't want it so spicy.
no, that's right. Nice.
All the boats are coming in now from their day out fishing. Tide's coming in. Absolutely sensational. What do you reckon, Steve?
Oh, bloody awesome. I think it's the best camp we've ever been on so far.
Yeah,
So far, best camp we've been to.
I think so.
Okay, guys, so we were sitting down at Hull Heads, just having a beer and relaxing, looking out at the water, and the neighbours come over and said, "Oh, we think there might be a croc up there." And we sort of had a bit of a look and had some binoculars and stuff, and we had a bit of a look up there, and it just looked like a black stick because it was quite a way up the creek or the river. Anyway, I thought I'll put the drone up and have a bit of a look. So I flew the drone up, and look what I found. Unbelievable. So I just hovered above him for a little while, having a bit of a look, and then he went into the water, and what a magnificent creature they are. I mean, they're dangerous as, but what a beautiful creature, just the way it moves through the water, and just magnificent. Okay, hi folks. So we left Hull Heads this morning. It's been raining since about probably 3 o'clock this morning. So we packed up in the rain. We've driven up here to Mission Beach, and we unhooked in the rain, got absolutely saturated. So we are now at Mission Beach Tavern, and we just thought we were going to lash out.
Cheers. Just having a walk at Mission Beach, and we've come across the Laundro Lounge where you can have a drink and get your washing done.
Coffee.
Check it out. So we're going for a walk along the foreshore here.
At Mission Beach.
Mission Beach. We've been through the town to have a look, and it's very touristy.
Yeah, backpackers.
It's all geared up for the backpackers, really. There's a lot of restaurants and bars and that are closed during the day. They're all opened up at night time, party time. So we're just having a little drive further north of Mission Beach, and we've just come into the World Heritage Area where rainforest meets reef.
Very interesting.
Alright, you made it right to the end. Thanks for watching the video right to the end.
Hopefully you liked it, and if so, hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you next week on the next episode.
Yep, see you next week.
Bye.